Another up close and personal today. Got a super treat. It's the 40th pipe anniversary. Look at that. Nice. Let's see, we got number 622 out of 1,000. All right, flip this bad boy over, and here we go. Very rare, very limited. Very nice. There's two 40th pipe anniversary ones. This is one of them. I have the other one. That'll be the next video. But this one, oh, it is nice. And out of the two, I would consider this one second place because the other one's, oh man, I will have that tomorrow, but it is super nice. So yeah, I got the pipe insert in there, 40th anniversary, got the jewel on the spark wheel. There's that jewel on the spark wheel. That is nice. And the other one has a jewel on the spark well as wheel. Wheel. There's some Southern coming out. I've just been ridiculously happy with the Zippos I've received lately, and oh, I got so many more to show. I just got to do them one at a time. Oh, that's pretty. The way that comes together, that's pretty. All right. Thank you, everybody.